Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an eyebrow tutorial. So you're going to start with a fresh eyebrow, and then you're going to start with brushing your eyebrow upwards.
Do you read music?
And my spoolie broke, so don't mind that, please. Thank you. Okay, so the first item you're going to need is a mirror. Mine is broke. And I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the color Cocoa. I'm also using this pink paintbrush that I have for a brick. And I'm going to dip the paintbrush into the foundation. And I'm going to start with lining the bottom part of my eyebrow only. Make sure you do this slowly and carefully because this part, if you mess up or if your eyebrow ain't straight, you just gonna mess up the whole eyebrow. So yeah, be careful.
That's your first record?
Okay. So next I'm gonna grab this black brush that I bought from Wish, and I'm using the Kiss New York Professional Top Brow Cream. So I'm gonna open that. Well, when I get it open, okay, there it goes. But yeah, I have it in the color. I would drop it. I have it in the color Ebony, and I'm gonna dip it into. I'm gonna dip my brush into the stuff, and I'm gonna start lining the bottom part. So I do this in strokes, depending on where I'm doing it at. Like you'll see, sometimes I do long strokes, sometimes I do short ones. But yeah, just draw right above the line that you did the concealer or the foundation, whatever you use, and you just fill in the bottom part. And in the front, I suggest you use the excess, whatever you have on the brush, and do extremely light strokes so it looks natural. And I kept putting the thing away. But now you're going to brush your eyebrow out like the shape that you are going to fill it in at the top. And this will also help kind of blend out some of that chunkiness of it.
That's your first record?
So then you're going to go back in, dip, and you're going to fill in the top part of your eyebrow. Now, this part, it depends. Some people like the eyebrows thin, some people like them thick. So it really doesn't matter how you fill them in. I have mine kind of thick because that's how I like them. So yeah. And doing your eyebrows take practice. Like, don't think watching one video is gonna get you these perfect Kim K eyebrows. Like, no. Once again, I had my mirror in the way, but what I was doing, I brushed it. I was brushing my eyebrow hairs, trying to get them to like stay. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. And then I just took whatever concealer I had left on the brush and I lined it. Lined only that part up. I don't do all that concealer on top of my brow. I don't know, it just don't look good to me. But yeah, I just continuously fill it in until I get it how I like it. So now I'm using my finger and I'm blending this out. Blending shouldn't be so hard if I didn't use that much concealer and it's not that much coverage, so I didn't really blend too much. And now I'm using the Revlon Color Stay Brow Kit in dark brown. What is that? 102 dark brown, I think. And I'm gonna open it, and I'm only using the brown part. I used to use the white part, but that stuff, it was like trying to draw on your skin with melted crayon. If you ever done that before, if you haven't, don't try it. But yeah, I'm using the brown part because it's like a powder. The cream is very shiny. It has a sheen look to it. And I used to use a white powder to kind of get rid of it, but it made the stuff look very chunky, and you could see the white powder because I didn't brush it off sometimes. So I use this because it's brown and it looks more natural. You could also substitute the brow kit, or if you don't have a brown powder, you can use whatever eyeshadow color is closest to your eyebrow. Yeah, I'm just going over my eyebrow, making sure I got that shininess out. And I don't know, I think the other eyebrow you can kind of see that is really shiny. That's because I forgot this step, but I remembered it this time. So yeah. So I'm just closing everything up, admiring my eyebrow, and now I am done. Okay, so this video is way shorter than my other, well, than my last eyebrow tutorial. The last one I did, I used mascara, and I use like multiple things, like, yeah, I use multiple stuff. But what was I about to say? I forgot. But yeah, everything that I used, I only used 2 brushes. I used 2 different eyebrow. I used the brow cream and an eyebrow kit, and the brow stuff is like a powder. So yeah, and then I used a foundation. Like, yeah, people have seen that before. But yeah, and all of this stuff you could really find at a drugstore, beauty supply store. Like, you don't have to go to Sephora and all of that to go get it. I got this from some Rat Booty beauty supply store. I think I got this from CVS or something. I think, no, I got this from the dollar store, and I got this from CVS. Right? I got this paintbrush. This is a paintbrush. I got this from, I don't even know where. Then I got this. It came in a set of 20 different brushes. I got this from off Wish for $1. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I need some new video ideas. I don't know what to do, like, at all. I'll see you guys next time.